welcome back to the channel, guys. So as you'll see, Storm Eunice has hit us pretty hard. We had a couple of trees literally just like this. The soil was shaking when it's been so wet recently and the roots were just on the move. We had to take a chance and show you this video of what we decided to do. We took a bit of a dangerous route, but that one over there would have probably hit the house, so we made the right call. Up, that tree's fine, isn't it? Oh no, it ain't. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, I haven't seen. Oh guys, I'm not paying attention. I've set her off. I've set her off. That tree's coming out. I should really pay more attention. Oh, let me guess, the saws aren't in here. Oh, there we go. No, don't worry, we're not sawing a tree. We're sawing a birdhouse. Oh yeah, look at the ground! Look at the ground!
I'll chainsaw it above it. Why did you saw it?
Take it off!
I'll chainsaw the bloody thing.
Oh! I've hit the screw that side. That one there, no. Right. Here we go. There you go. Wanna grab your slate?
No, I'm not going back to
I can see it lifting. Look, yeah, I can see it, look.
do some filming.
I'm filming right now, so why are you shouting? Look. It's going, look. We're gonna have a timber soon, guys. Oh yeah, it's close to the house, isn't it? Oh shit! Shit, yeah, need to get Dad. Go get Dad! Go get Dad! Go get Dad and get... That's too close to the house, so get Carly out of the bedrooms. That tree's on the move, that middle one. No, the ground, look! Look, look! Look at the ground! Come here, Dad! Come here, look! Oh, that's heavy, isn't it? Yeah, shit, watch the ground, look! Look! You see what we're saying? So, as you guys would have just seen, it might come out well. The ground is completely moving around that tree. It is gone, so we need to now chainsaw it down as quick as we can. Dad wants his big ladders, which are in here. Why is he on the biggies? Let's go with this one, isn't it? All right, let's go, champ. As quick as we can. That tree has a good potential of hitting the house if we're not careful. Mate, I'm going to get around, swing around the car. To me, to you, to me, to you. Ah. The top one. That ground is really on the move. Whoa! And you got to go up there with that one behind you. You need to hit that first. That's going to go soon. Well, yeah, we need to get up there then. I can't hear you. No, no comprende, no comprende. Take it down. Take it down. Take it down. Send it. Send it! Stay! There we go. You feel happier now? Right, up you go. Steve, look at the ground. Here, look. Whoa, that's soft. That is soft.
It's going to go over. We've got to get it down.
Yeah, we're here, we're here, we're here.
Right, Stephen and Pete, you've got to hold that ladder as best you can either side.
Yep. Yeah, you get set up and go.
You're heavier, so you can stand up.
What do you mean I'm heavier?
Take the trampoline yet?
I ain't heavier than you.
It might take the trampoline yet.
Right, well just go for it.
No, move the trampoline out of the way.
What? It's all pegged down. Let's go, champ. You in the net. Are you ready? Yeah. All right. Keep tucked in. How's that? You all good with that?
I tell you to run,
If I tell you to run, you run. Well, I'm letting your feet get out of my way and I'm on it. Yeah, good point. Where am I running? To a bush? To be fair though, if we have to fucking run.
It's going to just fall on it.
Yeah. Well, I need you to run because I'm running that way.
going that
Yeah, I want to go that way too. Yep. But if it's only going to fall on me, you've got to hold on tight because I'm running.
If you put the ladder
Look, Godbrain, look, isn't she? Oh! Yeah, I got you, we got you! We got you! Yeah, come on then, come on then, come on! Come on then! Down! Come on then, down! He's his pants, boy! Woo! I felt that ladder was off, mate! That ladder was going!
the fucking ladder.
Yeah, the tree. Right, well, what are you going to top? If you hit it from there, that's taking the house out.
What, if I hit it from here?
If you hit it from here, the house.
That ain't football. It won't be a drop.
Well, yeah, it depends how much you drop it. You need to make sure when you make that cut that the stump's dropping down. You've got to cut it so the stump drops straight down.
Oh, right.
Woo. Yep. Now what are you doing?
Go in the tractor and go and get me a strap.
Sit on the strap. Thinks I'm a mind reader. If we stack it, guys, we're going to be on YouTube anyway, so you can laugh. Most exercise I've done since September last year. Oh, ow. God, I must say, most of my body is working on adrenaline, so pain is massively reduced when you have adrenaline in your system. Ow, just backed into a wall. Come on, come on. Right, I got your strap. This could be fun. What do you say?
Gonna crack it, say crack.
I'm getting on the side, man. I've got it. What?
What do you want me to do? I've got to stand under the chainsaw. Well, no, if he drops it, it stops. So.
If he drops it, you move.
If he drops it, I won't even know because I won't be able to look up there.
No, no, I've got to hold this. I've just got to... Eyes and all. I'm trying to stop my eyes. The wind's blowing it away from me. Oh God. Oh goodness. Wow. Shitting hell. Jesus!
That'll do.
No! Leave it! Leave it!
Let's get down.
Leave it! Fly.
That's gone, I reckon.
He's saying that it's caught on the actual tree itself, so he thinks it's gone.
Might, yeah, it might do. Not a bell. Not a bell, that's why. Get out of the way, Ange. Get out of the way. That'll do. Understand grooving. Keep away.
I'm away.
Away from the chain.
Well away. Right guys, so hit me in the comments down below what you think. Do you think we made the right choice there? I think the video was coming out quite well, showing you the ground moving, why we went for that option, because it would have probably hit the roof of the house and around the front there. We imagine it would probably hit this sort of area here. So do you think we made the right choice there, or should we have left it? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, ring that little bell, notifications of our videos. Loads going on here now, lots of different farm, agri types of videos going on. So welcome to the journey guys, hope you enjoyed the video.